Welcome back to Ride Reviews, your number one stop for everything fast, fresh, and fierce in the world of cars. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an insane drop like this one. Today, we've got something absolutely wild. Buckle up because the 2025 Dodge Polara has just been officially unveiled, and it's not just a car, it's a straight-up monster. The all-new 2025 Dodge Polara is here and it's bringing the heat like never before. Dodge has gone completely off the rails in the best way possible. This next-gen Polara is pumping out a jaw-dropping 700 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 700 horses under the hood. This isn't a sedan, it's a statement, and that design, totally reimagined. The Polara comes in with an aggressive widebody stance, lower profile, sculpted lines, and a front fascia that looks like it wants to eat the road alive. The LED light signature is sharp and sinister, with a futuristic twist that screams performance. From every angle, this thing is bigger, bolder, and straight up badder than anything else in its class. Underneath the hood, we're talking about a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, refined and retuned for even more torque. This car rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds, and Dodge didn't stop there. There's a brand new adaptive suspension system, track-tuned stability, and a performance exhaust that sounds like thunder rolling through a war zone. Step inside and it's pure luxury wrapped in muscle. The 2025 Polara boasts a high-tech, fully digital cockpit with a massive 15-inch infotainment display, integrated with the latest Uconnect system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and a built-in performance tracker. Materials. We're talking premium Alcantara, brushed aluminum accents, ambient lighting, and next-gen seats that mold to your body. This isn't just a muscle car, this is a full-blown performance lounge on wheels. It doesn't stop there. Dodge is dropping some all-new paint schemes too: Molten Thunder Red, Shadow Strike Black, Arctic Drift, and Solar Flare Orange. Each one turns heads, each one tells a story. Now let's talk price. The base model kicks off at around $52,995, while the full performance SRT Hellcat trim with all the bells, whistles, and raw power jumps up to around $72,450. Considering what you're getting: 700 HP, an entirely redesigned interior and exterior, next-gen tech, and legendary Dodge attitude, that's an absolute steal. This 2025 Dodge Polara is not just another car launch. It's Dodge throwing down the gauntlet, showing the world that muscle is far from dead, it's evolving. Bigger, faster, louder, and more refined than ever. If you thought midsize performance was getting boring, think again. The new Polara is here to destroy expectations, and it's doing it with a supercharged grin. Thanks for riding with us today on Ride Reviews. Smash that like button if this beast blew your mind, and let us know in the comments, would you take this over a Charger or Challenger? Subscribe for more insane car content, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay fast, stay curious.